Max and Ruby. Ruby and Max. Max and Ruby. Ruby and Max.
Max and Ruby.
Ruby and her little brother Max.
Max and Ruby. Ruby's hiccups.
Before we practice for the concert, we should warm up our voices, don't you think, Louise?
That's a good idea, Ruby. I'll start. La 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 la. Your turn, Ruby. Ready?
Ready. La la.
Monster.
I'm sorry, Max. I can't help you find your monster mask right now. Louise and I have to practice for the concert. Keep looking. I'm sure you'll find it.
Ready to try again?
Ready. La la la. Excuse me, Louise.
That's okay. Let's try again.
La 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 la.
I think you've got a case of...
The hiccups. Oh no! How are we gonna practice for the concert?
Monster?
Max, I can't help you find your monster mask. I've got to get rid of these hiccups. Try to think where you left it, Max.
We need to find you a cure.
We'll check the big book of home remedies. It's over here. Let's see. Coughs, fever. Here it is. Hiccups. Maybe you should read it, Louise.
I think you're right. Hiccups. There are 4 cures for hiccups. 1. Hold your breath for as long as you can. 2. Hang upside down. 3. Drink a glass of water. 4. Scare them away. Let's try cure number 1, holding your breath for as long as you can.
Okay.
Keep holding it in, Ruby. Monster!
Oh no, that didn't work at all.
Monster!
I'm sorry, Max. I don't know where your monster mask is. There are lots of toys outside. Why don't you play with one of them?
Monster? Well, cure number 1 didn't work.
That's for sure.
Why don't we try cure number 2, hanging upside down?
I'll try anything. Where should I do it?
How about over there on the chair?
Okay. Like this, Louise?
Perfect. Now let's try singing again. La 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 la. Now you sing, Ruby.
La 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 la. Oh no, it's not working. How am I ever gonna get rid of these hiccups?
Monster!
I can't help you, Max. I've got to get rid of these hiccups. Max, there are other ways to play Monster. If you look in your room, you'll find lots of other stuff to play Monster with.
Any luck?
I don't think so.
So much for cure number 2.
Right.
Let's try cure number 3, drinking a glass of water.
All right.
Grrr!
Grrr! Monster?
Grrr! Monster! The book says you have to drink the whole glass of water all at once.
I hope this works. What was that?
It came from upstairs.
Roar! 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 Max, what do you think you're doing dragging your sheet all over the place?
Monster!
Max, I can't play Monster with you right now. I'm still hiccuping. Come on, Louise. We've tried 3 cures and none of them worked.
And there's only one more.
What is it? I forget.
Monster! Cure number 4, scare them away.
But how are you going to scare me if I know you're going to try?
Grrr!
Ah! Grandma! What are you doing with that mask?
Max left it at my house, and I thought he might be looking for it. I hope I didn't scare you too much.
Scare me?
Ruby, your hiccups are gone.
Grandma, you scared my hiccups away with your monster mask.
Not my monster mask.
Monster!
The big picture. I'm ready to have my picture taken. How about you, Max? Max, what are you doing?
Butterfly!
You can't chase the butterfly right now, Max. I'm taking a picture of us for Grandma, remember? It's a very special picture, so we have to wear our very best clothes. Max, I know just what you should wear. Come on, Max. I know it's in here somewhere. Aha! What's your blue sailor suit doing stuffed at the very back of your closet? It's the perfect outfit for you to wear in the picture. You want to look good in Grandma's picture, don't you? Change, Max. I can't wait to see Grandma's face when she sees the picture of us. She's going to love it. I'm going to set up the camera. You fix your suit and come down so we can take the picture.
Butterfly!
Max, are you ready yet? Now we're both in our very best clothes. This is going to be a great picture. I'll be ready in 1 minute. I just have to make sure the camera's straight.
Butterfly!
Okay, Max, I'm ready to take our picture now. Careful, Max. Don't run with an orange slime dribbler in your hand or you'll mess up your very best. Oh, no. You can't look like that in Grandma's picture. Go inside and change into your second best sailor suit.
Butterfly!
Wrong way, Max.
Butterfly! Butterfly?
This picture's gonna be great, Max. I've got the camera set up in exactly the right...
Butterfly!
Max, you made me waste a picture. You can chase after the butterfly later, Max. When the red light flashes really quickly, it means the camera's gonna take our picture. Smile, Max.
Butterfly!
Max, this is a photograph, not a movie. You've got to keep still. We only have 2 more shots before we run out of film. And we still don't have a picture for Grandma.
Butterfly!
Come back here, Max. The camera. Oh, Max. Now we only have 1 picture left. We'll have to be very careful to make sure it turns out perfectly this time. Max! Watch out for that mud puddle! That was close. Oh, no! I can't have my picture taken with this mud stain on my dress. What am I going to do? I know! A nice bouquet of flowers will do the trick. What do you think, Max?
Butterfly!
Come on, Max. It's time to stop chasing after the butterfly. I'll just reset the timer. Okay, get ready. Say cheese, Max. Butterfly.
What a beautiful picture! It's the nicest present I've ever received.
See, Max? I told your grandma would love the picture. What do you have to say about that? Butterfly. Ruby's stage show. There, that should do it. These princess hats are going to be perfect for our play. What is it, Louise?
I think they need something extra. Ribbons!
You can have a blue ribbon on yours, and I'll have a pink ribbon on mine. Grandma's going to be so surprised when she sees our play. I just know she's gonna love it.
But first, we need a name for our play so we can make tickets.
Well, our play is about two princesses who go to a ball. How about we call it Two Beautiful Princesses Go to the Ball?
I like it. But don't forget one other important person, our handsome prince.
Oh, Louise, that's the best prince crown I've ever seen.
Maybe we should call it Two Beautiful Princesses and a Handsome Prince Go to the Ball.
That's right. We need someone to play the part of a handsome prince.
Dragon!
Roar! Max, you've been playing dragon for 3 days. Ever since he got his new dragon mask, he's been wearing it non-stop. Max, why don't you take a break from playing dragon and be the handsome prince in our play?
Dragon!
Roar! No, Max, we don't need a dragon. We need a handsome prince. Look, the crown fits perfectly. All you need now is your cape.
All princes need a cape.
Go get your cape and come back so we can rehearse. Okay, Max? Dragon! Roar! Not a dragon prince. A real prince. Hurry and change, Max.
Dragon! Roar!
There. Our audience is ready. Let's save this chair for Grandma.
We should get dressed for our dress rehearsal.
You look great, Princess Louise.
Well, you look enchanting, Princess Ruby.
Now all we need is our handsome, charming dragon! Roar! No, Max. We're not putting on a play about a dragon. Come on, Max. You go change into your prince costume while Louise and I set up. We don't have much time before Grandma gets here.
And we still need to hang the curtains.
You're right. Let's get to it. It looks just like a real stage.
Should we hand out the programs now, or wait until your grandma arrives?
Let's wait. First, let's try out our curtains.
Yes!
Okay, ready, Princess Louise?
Ready, Princess Ruby?
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ta-da! Oh no! Ruby, look! Sally Swims-A-Lot is missing.
Oh no! I know you're a dragon, Max, and dragons kidnap dollies and take them back to their lair. But I need Sally Swims a lot. She's part of our audience. Thank you, Max. If you don't want to be the Prince, Max, then you can't be in our play. Go play dragons someplace else. We'll just put on our play without you. I guess one of us is going to have to play the part of the prince.
I don't mind, really.
No, Louise. You're my guest, and you should get first choice.
Well, we can't have two princes.
All right, Louise. I think you'll make a wonderful prince.
Then it's settled. You wait here, and I'll go and get the prince's costume from Max's room. Max, are you in here? How do I look?
Perfect. We should rehearse our lines so our play will be ready when Grandma comes. Ladies and dollies, we would like to welcome you to our play. The beautiful princess and the handsome prince go to the royal ball.
I have traveled far and wide to find a princess as lovely as you. Would you do me the honor of being my guest at the grandest royal ball in all the land? How was that?
That was great. Now it's my turn. I would be delighted.
Shall we go then, my lady? My carriage awaits. Dragon! Roar!
Get out of here! This is no place for you! Shoo!
Roar!
Now, where were we? Oh, yes.
Bravo! Bravo!
Grandma!
That's the best play I've ever seen.
But
I especially love the ending. What a surprising twist.
what surprising twist?
When the princess saved the prince.
Saved the prince?
From what?
Dragon! Roar!